Okay, so you know that the three things that are most important to me are these when it comes to the classroom. Cost effective, interactive and engaging, and mobile. When you have those three things, you have a winner. So today, what I want to show you is the IS-01 interactive whiteboard system from IPEVO. It should be no question to you that I love IPEVO products. I've had the IPEVO .2 view document camera for over a year and absolutely love it. It is a great document camera, but I use it mainly as a webcam, and it's a fabulous tool for that as well. Most of what you see on YouTube of me is done with an IPEVO webcam. So if you haven't explored the .2 view, certainly look there as well. I love this for a lot of reasons. One, that tag of $149. You're not going to find that price with any kind of interactive whiteboard option. One of my main issues with interactive whiteboards is that they're not mobile and they're not cost effective. It defines a learning space, a space that wholeheartedly means we have to learn here. We have to learn in this one space. And what I love about this option is that it's completely mobile. You can pack it up and use it absolutely anywhere. You don't have to define one space as the primary learning interactive space in your classroom or in your building. So that's a pro. I want to show you first the interactive games. When I was in the classroom, one of the very cool things I like to do was at the end of the day when I was releasing my kids to daycare and to buses and to car riders, this was a wasted time in our classroom. So we went to Shepherd Software at the end of each day and we would play interactive games. It was me maximizing my instructional time. It also had the kids being competitive and using games for learning. And when you think about how we dismiss kids at the end of the day, typically they're released to other parts of the building, maybe the gym, the cafeteria, all-purpose rooms in our building. Imagine if there was an option to be able to take that interactive learning space to one of those places in your building. Without question, it's fun. So I'll just show you a little bit. 8 is my answer. 8 minus 2 is 6. So you'll see that this is one of those really cool ways that you can, 7 minus 6 is 1. I don't even see my 1. So you can obviously take this anywhere to go. And so I think that being able to move this throughout your building is top-notch. Okay, so IPEVO is the website, IPEVO.com. You can go there and check out all of their options. So I'll give you just a little snapshot of their website. They also have a video that I will post and let you see that. But in this case, you'll see basically I have the same setup going on. I have my computer connected to the IPEVO. That's sending the message to this pin that I have right here. It is sending on my projector. Now my projector is mounted, but you'll see that that is not necessary from the picture. In this case, the teacher has her setup going. She's using the annotation options, which I'll show you in a minute. Love, love, love that if you have your IPEVO document camera, you can connect your document camera to the interactive whiteboard system, actually project what's under your document camera, and then annotate on top of that. That just can't be beat. You can additionally purchase ways to store. You can additionally purchase the tripod. That might be an option, but again, as I've said, it's sitting on my projector and it's working beautifully. And in this case, they even mounted it. That does not come with the software or the system. However, it's an option, but again, mine's just sitting up there without concern. So let's look at some annotation options. So in this case, I'm working desktop view. Let's say that I want to actually do some annotating on this. So I have lots of color options. Say I want to use green. And then I'm going to literally just draw it. I want to show you that this is the projector you're using. Now, a couple things you need to know. This is my wall, which means it's textured, it's not a smooth surface, and you'll see that without question, it is working beautifully. So that being said, without question, if you're looking at using a flat whiteboard surface, it's going to work even better. But again, it doesn't have to be. So that mobile space, whether it's in your gym or your cafeteria or that all-purpose room, this is going to work no matter where you have it. It's even working on my wall. Say I don't like that, I can hit delete, get rid of all of that as well. It does have an option for highlighting. And so I pick a little highlight color. So I'm working on my desktop, as you know. So this will be a great option to go in, do some highlighting of text. Works just as any interactive whiteboard would, but again, that mobile quality is so great. I'd say probably one of the coolest things is that option to be able to add it, to connect it to your already existing document camera. Also keep in mind that IPEVO has a Whiteboard app, so if you don't know about that, check that out. Without getting too deep in it, I think what I really want to specify is that if we're looking at changing learning environments and making our schools and our learning environments one that's mobile and interactive, definitely take a look and check out what IPEVO has to offer. There is an extender for this, which I have seemingly lost, but the extender allows you to add to it, make it a little bit longer, so if you have a higher space, you're able to reach to that. This itself does take 2 AAA batteries, so when you're finished, turn it off so you do not lose that as an option. But again, go to IPEVO.com, check it out, and let me know if you have any questions. I will certainly figure them out if I don't already know the answer to them. Thanks!